Okay, we're gonna install 3mm single pane glass in the sidewall. First thing, peel our tape. Again, I've been going with the stamp bottom right. Bottom in. Make sure your glass is centered. Put it in. Grab your cap. Screw it in. Now we're not gonna put a screw in on this top because it's an overlapping system. On these 3mm, I like to use a screwdriver. If you're not well versed in tools and stuff, you just get a better feel of how tight you should have the glass. You can use a drill and you have to set the clutch, but like I say, I feel more secure using just a hand driver. So when I put my top piece in, I slide it, gently touch the very top, and before I stick it, make sure I bring it right down so it's resting on top of my caps. On to the next one.